Hello, second grade, and welcome back. Happy New Year. Today we're going to start a new adventure called Code.org. We're going to start computer programming. So go ahead and get started by watching this video. To get started, you'll go to Classwork. Click Classwork. In Classwork, go to Code.org Programming. The link is below. It's Code.org. Let's click the link. When the site loads, you'll go to the upper corner that says Sign In. Do you see Sign In? Click it. Since we are signed in to our Google account, you're going to click on the red button that says Continue with Google. Click on the words Continue with Google. You must choose your Google account. You should see your name listed here. Click your name. You might have to say Allow. Click Allow. Let's first watch a video. Let's click on number 1.
Usually programming is all in text, but we'll use Blockly, which uses visual blocks that you drag and drop to write programs. Under the hood, you're still creating code. To start off, we're going to build code for a program that will help this angry bird move through a maze to get to the evil pigs that stole its eggs. Blockly is split into 3 main parts. On the left is the bird's maze, where your program will run. The instructions for each level are written below the maze. This middle area is the toolbox, and each of these blocks is a command that the bird can understand. The white space on the right is called the workspace, and this is where we'll build our program. If I drag the move block to our workspace and press run, what happens? The bird moves forward 1 box on the grid. And what if I want the bird to do something after the move forward on 1 box? I can add another block to our program. I'm going to choose the turn right block, and I'll drag it underneath my move block until the yellow arrow appears. And then I'll drop it and the 2 blocks will snap together. When I press run again, the bird will perform the commands that are stacked from top to bottom on our workspace. If you ever want to delete a block, just remove it from the stack and drag it to the trash can. After you've hit run, you can always hit the reset button to get the bird back to the start. Now let's get those pigs.
Do you have the idea down? Now let's click on puzzle number 2. How can you get your angry bird to the pig? You must move forward. Click and drag Move Forward to connect it to when run. How many spaces do you need though? 1, 2. You need 2 blocks. Let's move forward 1 more time. Click and hold and drag, and drop it to connect it. Now let's hit run. We did it! We made 2 lines of code. Now let's go ahead and hit continue. Let's look at this puzzle. How many times do we need to move forward? Let's count the blocks. 1, 2, 3. We need 3 move forward blocks. Let's go ahead and connect them. Click and hold and drag. Make sure they connect. We need 3 of them. Now let's hit run. We did it again. Now we'll hit continue. Here's puzzle 4. Let's see what happens when we run the code. Hit run. Uh-oh. We move forward too many times. Let's take off some of the code. Let's click and hold on some of the code blocks and drag them off. We only need 1 move forward block, so we're going to delete the green one. Click and hold on the green block and drag it over to the trash can. Now, let's put this other code back. Click and hold and drag, and connect them back together. This is saying I need to move forward, turn left, move forward, and move forward once again. Let's reset it and try it. All right, we did it. That's another line of code. Let's go ahead and continue. This is puzzle 5. Do you think you can solve it? There are more puzzles at the top. In fact, we are on 5. Here's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 puzzles to solve. See if you can do them. If you need help, let me know by raising your hand. Otherwise, keep trying. Good luck!